Here's a vintage tin toy made in Japan. Little vacuum cleaner marked Kenmore, and it still works. Runs on 3 D-cell batteries. I'm going to include those in my eBay auction, but I wanted to show that this little vacuum is something else with the detail. The only thing that I see with it is, the only issue is that the bag was taped. But other than that, the motor works, the headlight works. So let me show you. The bag even inflates. The whole vacuum is about 32 inches tall, and they really did a nice job making this, highly detailed. And thank you very much for watching.